I welcome you to this session. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about basics of network architecture. So our very first question arises, what is network architecture? Network architecture can be defined as a network design that helps us to arrange computer and how tasks are allocated to the computer. Basically, there are two different types of network architecture: peer-to-peer network architecture and client-server architecture. First is peer-to-peer architecture. This network is also known as point-to-point network. As the name indicates, all the computers are directly connected to each other with equal privileges and responsibilities and sharing the data. There is no server in it. Let us consider an example. There are four computers and each computer is connected to each other as shown in figure. This is exactly known as peer-to-peer network architecture. Few important points for peer-to-peer network architecture is that the if the computer system is less than 10, then we use peer-to-peer network architecture. Otherwise, we will use client-server network architecture. And it is the peer-to-peer network architecture is cheaper network and it does not have any server, and it is easy to maintain. Our second type of network architecture is client server architecture. Client server architecture is also known as request response architecture. In this architecture, client makes a request to the server and then server fulfill the response. Let us consider an example: several devices, computer, laptops or mobile phones connected with the server. Server may be dedicated or separated. When a device send request to the server, device may be computer or maybe laptop or phone. The server fulfill that request at any cost because server is connected with the high speed internet and electricity as shown on the figure. Few important points related to the client server architecture is that it has a centralized system or server. Security is much better and entire system can be maintained easily. The server maintenance cost is also very high. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to stay connected with recent trending technologies, then keep watching.